Can I get plus? Noun. Can I get a pen? Can I get a bag? Can I get plus? Noun. Can I get a pen? Can I get a bag? Can I get a soda? Can I get a beer? Can I get a beer? Can I get a fork? Can I get a straw? Can I get a knife? Can I get a salad? Can I get a spoon? Can I get a refund? Can I get a coffee? Can I get a coffee? Can I get a mimosa? Can I get some tea? Can I get a receipt? Can I get some salt? Can I get a dessert? Can I get a discount? Can I get some sugar? Can I get a sandwich? Can I get some pepper? Can I get a hamburger? Can I get a to-go box? Can I get a margarita? Can I get a margarita? Can I get a milkshake? Can I get a wine list? Can I get some ketchup? Can I get some napkins? Can I get some mustard? Can I get a side salad? Can I get some creamer? Can I get a side of cod? Can I get a reservation? Can I get a menu, please? Can I get a side of rice? Can I get a cloth napkin? Can I get a booster seat? Can I get a paper napkin? Can I get a side of tofu? Can I get a plastic fork? Can I get a table for two? Can I get a gin and tonic? Can I get a side of salsa? Can I get a side of steak? Can I get a side of steak? Can I get a vodka martini? Can I get a side of bacon? Can I get a side of fruit? Can I get a side of clams? Can I get a side of gravy? Can I get a side of beans? Can I get a side of fries? Can I get a side of olives? Can I get a side of cheese? Can I get a side of onions? Can I get a side of relish? Can I get a glass of water? Can I get a glass of water? Can I get a slice of pizza? Can I get a side of shrimp? Can I get a side of salmon? Can I get a bottle of water? Can I get a soup of the day? Can I get a side of lobster? Can I get a side of mustard? Can I get a side of pickles? Can I get a side of ketchup? Can I get a side of lettuce? Can I get a side of chicken? Can I get a side of octopus? Can I get a side of tilapia? Can I get a side of mussels? Can I get a side of avocado? Can I get a side of spinach? Can I get a side of tomatoes? Can I get a side of hot sauce? Can I get a glass of red wine? Can I get a side of mushrooms? Can I get a glass of red wine? Can I get a side of mushrooms? Can I get a side of guacamole? Can I get a side of vegetables? Can I get a side of sour cream? Can I get a side of mayonnaise? Can I get a side of breadsticks? Can I get a glass of white wine? Can I get a side of garlic bread? Can I get a side of honey mustard? Can I get a side of barbecue sauce? Can I get a side of tzatziki sauce? Can I get a side of ranch dressing? Can I get a high chair for my child? Can I get a high chair for my child? Can I get a side of Caesar dressing? Can I get a side of mashed potatoes? Can I get a side of Italian dressing? Can I get a side of blue cheese dressing? Can I get a side of balsamic vinaigrette? Can I get a side of Thousand Island